Ooh, 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 ooh. How is it going, my friend? It is 23rd December 2024, and that means it's time to stop working and start enjoying holidays. Will you not say so? So I would like to wish you Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Prosperous, healthy, and Happy New Year 2025. Thank you for all of you supporting this channel. And hopefully next year 2025 will bring us a lot of prosperity, health, and success. I hope you will enjoy your Christmas vacation no matter where you will be, and I will definitely see you in the new videos in the next year. Thank you for watching and have a great holidays. See ya.